What's up, Wayne Jerry? What's up, Great Lake? Welcome, brother. What's up, Dragon? Fire wallpaper, appreciate you. Yeah, I know. I have like a software for our markets closed. Markets are closed, bro. Well, they're open, but like I don't think it's gonna be regular trading hours. Wallpaper engine to go for real. Wallpaper engine is the go. You got it. First time watching? What's up, brother? Um, does anyone here use my funded futures? Do they allow news trading? Does anyone know? What's up, Bash? Doing well, brother. Appreciate you for asking. Okay, okay. I know what we're doing today. OddCAD played out. Yes, we hit full TP on OddCAD. So I'm up. I don't know what the percentage is, but I need 2 more of those trades, and we'll pass the phase 2 of the forex. So that's pretty fun. What's up? What's up, Andrea? Andre. What's up, Ben? We're doing good, Ash. Doing good. Appreciate you coming through. I'm curious. Uh. I think you're not allowed to trade news. Yeah. What about on evals? Market's closed today. Market's closed today, yeah. When does the market reopen? It's gonna open during Asia, I think. So at 18. What's up, Jarfa? Stefan, what's up, brother? What's up, John? Um, future market open just now. Yeah, I know the market's trading. Hold up here. Check my 8 picks. What? What's up, Guru? What's up, Zastabo? It's a cool name. A pretty cool name. Um, trade today. We're gonna be backtesting today. Pretty sure the market's closed. Even if it's not closed, it means regular trading hours is closed. So we're not gonna be trading. Yeah. I use all the prop firms right now. I'll actually be getting my Top Step accounts this Friday or Monday. Monday. Probably Monday. I will not be tape reading. I will be backtesting and doing Q&A for anyone who has any questions. Why is it closed today? Some president's death. Yeah, I don't fuck with Apex, man. They're my number 3 personally. Took a nice setup before market shutdown, which is backtest free. The backtesting software I use is not free. It's not free, but it is the best one. So I mean, you can use it. There's free ones, but you're gonna have a lot of restrictions, and it's not gonna be that clean. The market's open. It's just regular trading hours. Like at 9:30, New York Stock Exchange is not open. Market closes at 9:30. I'm back testing. I am not trading. Why do you prefer futures over CFD? Futures are cheaper, but I do use a CFD firm as well. You're $223 passing my top step funded account. Market closes in 9 minutes. Can you explain consistency rule 40%? The consistency rule is very simple. Your total profits, whatever that number is, say you made $4,000, okay? The consistency rule says if you make $4,000, one of your trades can't be 40% of that, so 1,000. Wait, that's not right. But that's what it means. Market will close at 9:30. How many more cycles do you think till January 20th? Bro, no fucking clue. Market's closed. Market's closed at 9:30, guys. Your stop is too tight, Jerp. You gotta risk less or don't trade with a $500 live. One sec, guys, and then we'll start backtesting. Start backtesting Notre Dame on Penn State today. Give me a lock, bro. No fucking clue. Do you use FanDuel though? Because if not, bro, I got a code for you. I think we can both mutually benefit. How many accounts do I have? Just one, bro. Just this one. Did the market just close? I was told it was gonna close 9:30. No, it's still open. It's probably gonna close at 9:30. Close all that. Close all that. What London do? What? I've been getting messages from other accounts. Yeah, sorry about that. I guess I'm just so fucking famous. I don't know, man. Oh, I guess it's closed. I don't know. Okay. Market's closed because there's some funeral that they're celebrating. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Mostly gentlemen. In fact, I looked at my statistics on YouTube the other day, and 100% of my viewers are male. I think that was kind of funny. Yeah, I guess. Or did I say celebrating a funeral? That's fucked up. Yeah, they're just no. I guess they're having a funeral for someone. Anyways, if anyone has any questions, feel free to ask. I'm gonna be back testing my model in front of you guys. You use Hard Rock, nice. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna back test. And yeah, so should I not trade since it's closed? Bro, you can't trade. I'm pretty sure it won't let you. Once line 30 comes, I don't think you can put a trade down. But either way, it's gonna be like, go look at the market. You'll see how ass it is. Is Forex market open? I'm pretty sure all markets are going to be closed. I know I think the banks are going to be closed. Like it's a government holiday, so honestly, I don't know. I don't know because this isn't something that happens. You know, like there's just any Forex trades. I won't be entering any swing trades. I won't be entering any swing trades. Um, I won't be entering any swing trades until next week. It's already Thursday. It's gonna be Friday tomorrow. So I already took my swing trade this week. I'll look for one setup next week. What's up, Alan? What does your model consist of? Well, stay and find out. I blew four fundings in 1 month. Man, you gotta help. Yep. Will you backtest today or also live trade? Brother, market is closed. Uh, Not this again, man. Everyone's gonna ask me, every single person who joins. Are you live trading? Market is closed. So we are not live trading. The live stream literally says backtesting and Q&A. 2024 membership. It's in my Discord, brother. It's free. Yo, bro, you trading today? Can you show your TradeZella entire outlook and uses an overview in your opinion? I was gonna do a video on that. Do you want me to? Yeah, I guess I can just do that now. You from New York? I'm from like Toronto area. It's the morning and the call until they choose. What's your easy model? Show me. I'm gonna say it's easy, but I like it. Okay, I can show you TradeZella. In my opinion, yeah, TradeZella is really good. So TradeZella, you can have multiple accounts on TradeZella. I'm gonna do a quick breakdown. I'm gonna do a video on this later. So multiple accounts. So this is a live account. You can, sorry, not a live account, but you can link your trading account. I've traded gold before, but not really like consistently. You can link your funded account, your demo account, your live account, whatever account. You can link it to TradeZella, and it'll automatically journal your trades, entry, exit, all that stuff, whatever. Okay. You can do something called the progress tracker, which I don't know what this is. I haven't even looked at this section. I'm still pretty new to it myself. These numbers are, oh yeah, these numbers are good. You can go to playbook. This is what I like about it more. It's not free. I think with my code, it's like 40 a month. I think it's not free. It's not free. Then you can have a playbook. This is why I like it the most. You can make your own playbook and put in your own rules. So for example, my model for, right, my New York reversal, daily power of 3 model, I can put all the rules. I can see all the trades I took in it. I can see in backtest how many times I link. So I can like backtest my models and link them to each model and get results and stuff like that. It'll also do all this like analysis stuff for you. So all these numbers, you can see where stuff goes right or wrong. This is just one of my Apex funded. I haven't used it in a while. When I get my top steps, we'll definitely be journaling every single one. Like that. You can also have a daily journal where you can just type like, oh, today, whatever happened, whatever journal. If you took any trades, you can make a template so it's a lot easier. This looks pretty ugly right now, but it can become a lot more pretty. And then you can backtest, which is probably the other best thing about it. You can also backtest on TradeZella. So for me, that just makes the value like 100% worth it. Someone said, how much is it? With my code, I think it's like $40 a month, maybe 50. I'm not sure. It's not free, guys. It's not free. I don't think you can really backtest for free. This is called TradeZella. I was doing a recap because somebody asked, dude, write that the market closing your chart so people know. Market's closed. I'll let people figure it out themselves. So, do I stop Notion? I use Notion, but only for my, like, I do use Notion. I'm eating yogurt, yeah. TradeZella is definitely the best, man. You really can't compare. Yeah, I mean, you can use, if you don't want to pay, you can go to Trade Casa. You can pay a little bit of whatever. Market's closed. It's market closed because of the funeral. I know. It's just closed for today. Just closed for today. Yes. I still use Notion, but not for my trading journal, and not for my back testing. Jimmy Carter, an old president, he passed away, so they're hosting a funeral. Toxic, get the fuck out the charts, bro. What funeral? Yeah, Jimmy Carter's funeral. I did see Justin's new software, but in my opinion, I don't know. This looks pretty good. Why did unclose markets? I don't know. They made an announcement saying, guys, I know just so much as you guys. Okay, this doesn't. This hasn't been before. You have 200 left in your profit account from 2000. Yes, so that's a comeback you're gonna have to make. Oh my god. The market's closed. Market's gonna be open later today. Like tomorrow. It'll be open tomorrow. Asia session. Alright, we're back testing now. We're back testing. Hey, good night, bro. This guy joined my stream, said, shit, the market's closed. Alright, good night. Is it normal hours tomorrow? It'll be normal hours tomorrow. Tomorrow's NFP. Alright, we're gonna start back testing my model. And I'll show you guys why my model is superior. I'm just joking. There is no superior model. It's just my model. It works for me. Okay, daily chart. It's Wednesday. We put in relative equal highs there. I like that. We're inside of a daily bullish fair value gap. I like that. Do I think we can get out of it today? I guess it's possible. Let's look at the 15-minute chart, see if it makes sense. We have a pre-market or London lunch low of day right now. Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing a reversal from here. This would be a daily power of 3. I like these equal highs as well. Pretty bearish order flow in Asia, but if we can get some sort of long forming from this 15-minute BISI, please start with finding bias in the narrative. I try to go there and give you some tips. I got you, bro. So the bias, I'm softly biased towards longs simply because relative equal highs, very bullish order flow, and we have a big, fat, juicy daily bullish fair value gap. Am I going to trade tonight? No, I'm going to trade tomorrow morning. Most of the time, I'm just on the daily. So that's all I need. I don't really see any reason to look for shorts. I don't even see a target on the daily for shorts. So, yeah, we could get here, but that's what we're talking about. Markets are closed today, guys. Markets are closed. I'm back testing. So I'm long. That's it. Very simple bias. And I'm going to look for confirmation of that bias. Usually I jump right into the 15 because I can see the daily power of 3. But we have to see. How do you determine the direction of price after a major amount of bets are taken out? How do you determine where price is going to spool inside of a macro? Always expect it to spool inside of a macro. Markets are closed because of the funeral. That's what I'm saying, too. Last night I caught the fall 12 into it. Nice, bro. I'm taking sure. I'm stuck in a trade. Can I close it? No, I don't think you can close it. From your narrative? Is that a question? Okay, so 15-minute BISI. I'm gonna see if we can get higher prices from here. Just gonna watch what happens. Okay, so far we moved higher. We took out the minor sell side. We're gonna enter the macro soon. If we get displacement higher, okay. So we came up. Like we are not going to get displacement higher. Although there's no clear objectives lower. I'm not really favored taking shorts. There's no real clear objective lower, but this is forming as a short model for me. So I'm going to see if we can maybe get a retracement here and then maybe target sell side if we put in equal lows or something. The 15-minute candle inverse, so I think it's a safe bet to target these equal lows now. I think we're retracing into there's no 5-minute fair value gap anymore. There's no fair value gap whatsoever, actually. We can mark this out and see if we get there. I wouldn't take any trade. This is a bullish breaker. This is a bullish breaker from the level I anticipated price to go higher from, but we already inverted. Although we did touch the rejection block, so that could be the low of the session. It's possible, but did we close below the rejection block? Yeah, we did. It's gonna be really hard to be bullish, even though we got this displacement. It's gonna be hard to be bullish, in my opinion. I would wait for a retracement and then an inversion. This is a retracement. Did we take out anything? We took out minor buy side here. So it's valid for me to look for a short inversion model. Did ES put an SMT or something? I want to see that fair value gap get out. ES still very bearish. There is an SMT, in fact, at these highs. So I could, in fact, short it like this because we do have an inversion. Risk reward on this trade is not that good. Now, honestly, I probably wouldn't take this trade, but if I'm being honest, although it does meet my criteria because the inversion there and we retraced, it's also inside the macro. Yeah, let's take this trade. So I'm going to journal every trade that I take. Let me read the chat quick. How do you know that particular macro will deliver good? Narrative. How did you know? How did you work on psychology when you actually get funded? I realized I got really greedy. I got greedy too. How did I work on it? I kind of just suffered from it for so long, then it worked out. Do I use opening range gap? Yes, I do, bro. You can't trust that sweep? Yes, I can. Have you checked if you're profitable for some time in backtesting? I'm definitely profitable in backtesting. Over the last 4 years of my backtests, they were all profitable. There's another gap that got to be inverse first. I don't need to wait for that gap personally. It will be closed tomorrow, not today. Market's closed today, brother. What is the macro? Macro is that time interval that I just marked up. 930 PO3 does support the idea. Sell side, buy side, dump. This is your 930 protraction model. Retrace, and you look for that second leg. I'll break even at these lows. This would be my final objective. So every single trade, by the way, guys, there's gonna be one micro. There's gonna be one micro. I don't care about the P&L for this back test. All I care about is I should have put this at 2R. When I don't have a clear objective, I'll go 2R. All right, so first thing I want to see is if we inverse this. So far, we did not inverse this. We respected it. Respected it again. This might be a SL. Would I just close this? Would I ever just close this from what I'm seeing right now? We're respecting the OB. But if I'm guessing what's about to happen is ES is going to probably rally higher. I don't really have a rule for this. This is like the one thing I don't have a rule for. You've been trading 4 years? No, I've backtested 4 years. Someone was asking about me backtesting. Where's 10 a.m. open? I mean, fuck it, bro. Let's backtest. Let's just play it out. Trust the trade. I'm going to break even at this sell side level. We got the inversion. I'm going to break even now. And we'll see if we can hit 2R. That's 2R. Let's see if we hit the final objective. And that's the final objective right there. So that's 930 protraction model. So what am I going to do? I'm going to journal that as a 930 protraction model. Oh, nice. They updated the... Bro, thank you, TradeZella. Thank you. Bro, they used to have these big-ass executions and it would freaking... it would like pick up the whole screen. Now I can just leave the orders. You guys can see sold there, bought there, inversion model. We respected the OB. It wasn't the cleanest delivery, I will admit, but the trade was never invalidated. You can see the OB respected. It took a long time, but 10-10 came and we got the move lower. So, yeah, all I really want to mark out here is I guess the inversion, which is what we traded. So inversion. And we'll mark out 9:30 open just so I can see the model in play perfectly. And I'll be a lot faster with these back tests. Do you pay taxes on crypto? I don't make that much in crypto. What's your exit rule? 2R or final objective? It depends. I have a couple rules. Respecting the OB. Thanks for the trade, bro. Up 1K. Bro, this is a fucking back test. What are you talking? Where can you find the 930 protection model? On my YouTube channel. Gatie, do you use previous day high and lows? Of course. Why is market closed? There is a, what's it called? I explain each model in gems. It's all on my YouTube channel. There's a funeral. Thanks, bro. I just passed my eval. Okay, bro. You guys are fucking hilarious. Exit rule and drawdown. To Irish 200. Please make a mentorship. I do have a mentorship. I don't let that many people in. You journal backtesting? How? You better journal backtesting. Otherwise, what are you backtesting for? You don't improve from trading. You improve from journal. You can't change my mind. So you can't change my mind. So this is the journal so far for the back test. So entry 13, we've taken 13 trades. This is January. So I'll show you how to journal or how I'm going to journal. TP hits. This is January 31st. This is how I journal in backtest. Mind you, listen, mind you, you can also do this on TradeZella automatically. The reason I'm not going to do it is because it's easy for me to share this with people in my gems, people in my mentorship. I'm going to share this with them. Is that journal in gems channel? No. No, I don't think so. I think the template might, but this template's not going to work for you. You have to make your own template. You got to journal. Please let me in the mentorship. No, you can have screenshots of the chart. So I'm going to put the screenshot of the chart right here. So I'm going to go to my snip tool. This is my, bro, I use this shit all the fucking time. Oh, sorry. Let me fast forward another. I want to see if we go lower. Yeah, see, so we went quite a bit lower, but we managed to get a nice piece of the pie. So I like to screenshot the whole move of the morning session so I can get a good visual. So I'm going to put that there. I'm going to go to Notion. I'm going to quickly go here, upload the image, notes, classic protraction model. Sometimes distortion, but the OB held, delivered to the equal lows. Yeah, not much. Just so no rules broken here, and the model was 930 protraction. On to the next. On to the next. Just keep it moving. What's the name of this protraction model on your YouTube? Can't seem to find in your videos. It's in my most recent video where I'm explaining my models. By the way, Gatie, when I click during where did it show where you wrote it? Yes. It's not supposed to show because I'm posting it every single day in the channel. So if you want to go back and see, it'll show all the daily journal entries. Let me actually add something here. Even the day that it's closed. So none. None. 10. We're done journaling for today. Okay. But about backtesting, you go to change your replay, do you just scroll back in time? I'm going to show you exactly how I backtest. You always enter after 1 minute. How can I get into the mentorship? Message me on Discord, brother, and we can talk. But I can't guarantee nothing. I'm very picky. Price levels, Prince level. Have you seen the new video about how you predict price level? Yeah, I mean, it's not new. He's been teaching that stuff for a while. I don't personally use it. Why aren't you trading today? Today the market is closed. Today the market is closed. Okay, back to the back testing. So we'll set up the new entry there. How much per month for this backtest? Well, for the whole software, you mean? If you want the backtesting and the journaling together, I think it's like 50. I think with my code, I think it's 40 a month with my code, but it might be 50 a month. Don't quote me. I honestly have no idea. I just bought it because I was excited when I saw how clean the journal looked. I thought this was fucking amazing. And they said like you can do it automatically. I'll say it one more time because I lost so much aura because you're ignoring me. You gonna tape read? Bro, I'm not tape reading. The market's closed. I'm backtesting. I'm backtesting. Okay, back to the backtest. Next day. Just get through this. Next day. Daily chart. Did we leave the daily bullish imbalance? Let me hide this for now because it's pissing me off. We're still inside the daily bullish imbalance. It's Thursday. This gap is actually not there. It's just it's just how it forms in backtest. I feel like previous day low is a decent objective here, just because of how bearish order flow side. I don't know what just happened, but I think we're good. This is not free, unfortunately. If you want to use this software, it's not free. Unfortunately, the good thing in life are not free. So yeah, we took out sell side here, rejecting from the 15-minute, but again, I'm more interested in the shorts, and if we can't take out buy side, I simply cannot short this. So we're just gonna wait and see. Okay, price is very choppy. We're inside the macro now. Looks like it might just dump, and if it does, that's okay. Okay, we might take out some buy side here. Okay, I know we did take out some level of buy side, so no, we did not even take out buy side. Putting equal lows. Is there an SMT at the highs? There is an SMT, so we're in short territory. If I can see a breaker or a CISD, we can look for a short. So that's your SMT. There's no clean order breaker block. Does ES have a breaker block? ES does not have a breaker block. So I need to see a CISD or a breaker, otherwise I simply cannot trade this. There is an inversion here, but again, I need to see a CISD or a breaker block, and that doesn't qualify. So okay, that's good that we were patient. There we go. Now, if we get a CISD right here, I'll go short. If we don't get the CISD, well, my bias is wrong and I missed out this entire move. That's okay. Oh, come on. That's just so weak. I wouldn't trust that. That's just too weak. It's too weak. I'll have to wait. So I could short this, but I'm going to wait for a little bit more confirmation. So maybe this 3-minute inversion, if we can get that. But now that my model criteria has met, the model criteria has met, doesn't mean I just click sell. I look for an entry model now, and I think I'll take the 3-minute inversion if it forms. Damn. Okay. I feel like I'm just watching this slowly go without me, and I mean, listen, man, there was not really that many opportunity to get in. We were right about the shorts. I guess in hindsight, if I just took the order block, like I said, but it's so hard to trust that, in my opinion. So hard to trust that. But let's see if we were right about, where's previous day low? Let's see if we were right about previous day low. And we could still look for an entry if we get a retracement. What time is it? 11:05. No, I'm done. I'm not looking for an entry. I'll just fast forward. See, do we get previous day low? It looks like we're more in a seek and destroy condition. Yeah, we never took previous day low. Interesting. Okay, next day. We kind of missed that short to the sell side. How come the chart is moving? I'm back testing. Love that even if you miss out, we don't sweat it. For sure, bro. Market is closed. Yes. I'm just here backtesting. What is this backtesting software or site? This is called TradeZella. TradeZella. Okay, daily chart. It's Friday. What the fuck? It's like so hard to read this. Market's closed at amount work. Backtest, bro. Those equal highs. Just jump to me. Oh, it's NFP. I think this is NFP. Okay. This is my drawn liquidity. Yep. I'll take that long. Okay. The criteria is there. Entering is a different story. I don't know how exactly I want to enter this. I'll probably wait for a fair value gap and try to take the fair value gap. So we gotta go to order, buy, limit, put it right there. Oh, one contract. So we'll put that limit in. Don't need to hide the orders. See if we get a fill. We got a fill right there. So I will break even at these highs. I'll probably just break even now, to be honest, because we already moved quite a bit. Oh shoot, I didn't put my TP. I'm TPing at 2R, but I'll probably chill my stop and aim for the NFP high. Yeah, like I'm just gonna put my stop right there. It's a little bit under 2R. I should have just closed it at 2R. You know what? Let's hold this one. Let's hold this one. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Woohoo! All right, time to journal. So classic AMD model today on this one. I knew right away I was gonna go long. So here's your break even slash partial. I break even, not gonna partial at 2R. It's only because I had a pretty strong drawn liquidity being this NFP high. And we're probably gonna go higher, probably the red line. Let's see if we get there. Oh, you know, we can maybe re-enter something like this. So hold on, before I journal. We got retracement in the macro. I need an invert. That inversion's too strong. That's gonna go higher though, I think. Let's see, 5 minute, 15. Maybe we can use the 15-minute fair value gap. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. It needs to retrace. It needs to retrace. Take out sell side. Okay, there you go. I could look for a re-entry here. If we get an inversion right here, I'll also go long. Oh yeah, we're gonna take that. Just like this. So 2 trades we're gonna backtest today. I usually don't take 2 trades, but we'll take 2 trades today. SL is gonna go at the inversion. Not this candle's low. It's gonna be at this candle's low, but it covers both in this case, so it works out. Aiming at this red line I drew a while ago. Uh-oh. Let's see if we get the expansion. I'll probably break even here. Oh yeah, man, that's just, come on, bro. That's just too clean right now. That's just too clean. Protraction model and the reversal model both formed in the same day. Okay. So the CISD here, that's the, let me make a thing for CISD. They're probably hitting 2Rs greater than 3R and fit the rules and models. Why do you go for the 3R? It's not as consistent. I go for where I think price is gonna go. What's NFP? NFP is the news event. How much are you funded with? Only funded 50K right now. It's pure manual intervention. What's the strategy? Gems. Trading strategy is gems. Everything I've done so far, it's on my YouTube. How many models do you have? 6 models. 6 trading models. Okay, I'm break even after 3 months. What should I do? You got to figure out why you're break even. Go back in your journal. Are you in a trade? I'm not in a trade. High Impact News is manual intervention. Yes, I'm sure. You have a YouTube channel, mate. I do have a YouTube. I am live on YouTube. For everyone who's asking what is my model, every single trade I've taken in this backtest so far, we've taken 3 trades so far, all wins. I'm not here flexing or anything. I'm just, genuinely, I'm just here to backtest and get more data. But, what was I gonna say? It's all these models. There's literally nothing new. I use them every single day in Livestream. I use them every day in Livestream. And the first one was a PO3 reversal. No rules broken. No. Like, you know what? Here, let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. For everyone who keeps asking what is GEMS, GEMS is my model. That's starters. Just give me 1 second. Let me show you guys something. For those of you saying like what you're saying, you guys know. Attraction model. Okay. I want you guys to look at the model here, okay? Look at this. I'm gonna draw it out. Hold on, I drew too many fucking lines. Let's just do this. Okay? Look at this. This leg, dun 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 boom. Alright? Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. I did that wrong. I did that wrong, but you guys get what I'm saying. This is my 930 PO3 reversal. We accumulate buy side, sell side. In this case, it's buy side, sell. Oh, so exact same thing. Oh, actually, I did this in. This isn't a double purge. Usually, I draw this out with a double purge. Let me just show the classic model here. It'll make more sense. Okay, here you go. Consolidate. Sell side, buy side, dump. In this case, it's a long, so it's buy side, sell side, dump. Buy side, sell side, pump. It's the opposite. I can trade that first leg. In this case, I was actually bullish, so it's a reversal model, not a classic, but you can trade this as the classic. Notice, I marked out the inversion and the breaker. The inversion and the break retracement. At this point, you will get retracement or reversal. I was waiting for a retracement into what? I view this all as time distortion. Why? We didn't manipulate into any fair value gap. We did not get the inversion here. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Boom. 1030 comes. Why 1030, Gatie? What's 1030 power of 3? That's one of the questions I get all the time. It's an intermediate power of 3. It's one of the more complicated subjects. But when I get a move lower below 1030 PO3, that's my confirmation that if we do come above, it's going to continue. So 1030 into the 15-minute fair value gap, and then we get the inversion. I'm going to show you guys a protraction model. You see this? Retracement, inversion, and then dump. Retracement, inversion, then dump. Then you get a breaker later on. This is your breaker. That's this. So, and then you target the higher time frame imbalance. You only trade this model if you're targeting a higher time frame imbalance or liquidity. You guys can't. You have to make your thing full screen. So, for everyone who just keeps asking, I'm genuinely just following the criteria of my model. Okay, just following the criteria of the model. And for those who say, how did I enter? I entered off the fair value gap right here. You have to include the. Notice if you did not include the volume imbalance, you wouldn't have gotten a fill on this trade. You wouldn't have gotten a fill. You have to include the volume imbalance. That's why I put my entry where I did. This is one of ICT's teachings. Pretty simple teaching. Just include the volume imbalance when you enter a trade. So, so to the journal. How am I going to journal it? I'm going to snip this entire screen. Label it whatever, TT. So we're going to go entry chart, put in TT, and I already journaled the rest of it. So just put in the model, what happened very briefly. And just next, clear out, next, move on, you know? What's up, Toffee? Yeah, do you trade second stage distribution? Yes, but I trade it in the context of power of 3, not second stage. How many hours a day do you backtest? About 23 hours a day. I usually just backtest every day, all day, you know? When the CFTC didn't get hit, how did you get filled? I entered on the fair value gap. Okay, I'll make one thing clear before the next day. Just because I need to see a CISD for the reversal doesn't mean it's the same thing, Donald. I don't enter off the CISD not all the time. I can enter off any PD array. I don't really care which PD array. We have 2 levels I'm looking for this Monday. Previous day equilibrium, which is right here. So either we retrace into previous day equilibrium and consolidate, and then later on we take the equal highs, or we just go out and take those equal highs. I'll mark out both levels and we can see what we get. So look how easy I got my bias. Like, it's not that clear, but I have 2 levels potentially marked out that we can be drawn to. Equal highs on the daily or 50% of Friday's range. Can you show again? Can I show again what? Thank you, Emro. I feel you, Toffee. Trust me, I feel you. Are you fun? I'm only funded 1 account. Pipe down, you clay. I don't know. I tried putting that comment. Let me show in a minute. Whatever, bro. When will the market open again? Tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. Market will be open. All right, we're gonna keep backtesting. As you know, I'll give you guys like a minute or two. Does anyone have any trades? Why is market closed? I know, Toffee. I feel you, bro. Trust me, I feel you. Can you show an example on London with what to expect the power of 3? With London, if you haven't seen, honestly, the best person who can explain it is probably ICT's most recent YouTube video, to be honest. What site are you using? I'm using TradeZella. In my opinion, TradeZella is the best. My OBS keeps... Yeah, my OBS keeps up and down. What is the video's name? I'll show you the video. He explained PO3 in London really well. I could go over it with you, but honestly, that's kind of a more in-depth question, brother. Like, I can't simply just answer that question right now. But I'll tell you what the video is called, and you can watch it. His video is called SMC Midnight Opening Range. I don't know if that's really gonna help you though. Do I only look at daily 15? Nope, not all the time. Depends. If I need more information, I'll go to the 4 hour or 1 hour. If I need more information, how far back are you? I'm backtesting 2024 right now. You won't be able to do this for a living. Damn, but some people are haters, bro. All right, yo, Emro, can you do me a favor and just go mute all the haters? Because there's actually some good questions in here, but I can't see them from everyone who's just hating. Give me a model. Trade the 930 PO3 reversal and PO3 retraction. Bro, listen, I'm just here to backtest and answer questions. I'm not here to deal with anyone who's just freaking gonna troll. This guy says ICT's a fraud, but his name is MMXM. I don't know what's going on, bro. Gatie, I might trade ages for work on that. We're gonna trade after we're going. Nope, I'm definitely not trading. I'll be waiting until tomorrow morning. I think I should ban myself from trading anything besides morning session, to be honest. I do not have any experience with one-on-one, but I do know a lot of people who hate it. I wouldn't use it. Just choose funded by traders, bro. Honestly. Choose funded by traders. What's a retraction? Not a retraction, protraction. Protraction is a delayed move. So you're waiting for some sort of distortion or like consolidation, or you're waiting for some sort of retracement. I view them both at the same thing. That's why I call it protraction. He's just doing. I'm not worried about me. I'm trying to answer the questions. I don't really care if people hate or not right now. I'm really just backtesting, bro. Okay. I'll give like 1 more minute for questions. I've already bought one of them, but it came out. What do I do, fam? Try your best to get the payout and then move on to the next, bro. You already got it. You might as well try. Take the two expert. That's why. Yep, NQ is close. Can you show your top step account? I don't have any top step accounts right now, but I'll be getting 2 top step accounts Monday. People just angry at life? Yeah, I don't know. People are so angry on TikTok, bro. I won't be trading anything, Baki. I won't be trading anything. 9:30 means that. Yo, why does everyone here like need to trade so bad? Like, just take the day off, man. Like, some news economic event came out. They said some guy's dead. They gotta take the banks away or something. Just take the day off, man. You don't gotta trade today. Like, it's gonna be here tomorrow. Like, you know, some guy. I mean, I'm in Canada, bro. So I'm like Jimmy Carter, bro. First time I heard him was yesterday. How many models do you think you tried before you found your model? Bro, every single thing that you've seen on Twitter related to ICT, I've tried. Everything. Name it, I've tried it. I've backtested it, and nothing stuck. In fact, none of the models stuck. I ended up having to find my own model. Like, I ended up having to find my own. Like, obviously, I took pieces from here and there, but you kind of have to refine it to make your own. How do you not know about your former leader, Jimmy? I live in Toronto, so didn't trade was for 2 months. Yep, I haven't traded. I haven't gotten Top Step for about a month and a half. Please explain breaker. A breaker block is the candle. If you're saying define PO3, listen. If you're actually curious, I can define it better than I did in my video. That video is probably the best one you'll see on PO3, bro. I trade PO3. I trade the PO3. I trade the different ways the 930 PO3 can form. Next day model. I don't know. What even is that? The dips in guide relentless. Do you decide your bias on FT while looking at FT? No, definitely not. Absolutely not. I find my bias on the daily chart and weekly chart. That's how I find my daily bias. I look at the 15 for kind of like confirmation / trade ideas. 930 Power 3 is a work of art, bro. 930 Power 3 is such a work of art, bro. It really is. You trade Forex? I do trade Forex. In fact, for everyone who just came or isn't really so tuned, we took TP on that odd cat trade. It took 3 days, but if you guys remember the trade, I took this on my phase 2. So I'll quickly go over the trade because I remember some people were asking. Very simple idea. Daily imbalance, but it already touched here. So what? So what? It's all about time, okay? Monday, we touch the daily imbalance. We sweep the liquidity inside. I drop down to the hourly. Price comes down. I don't trade on the Monday. I'm looking for the Tuesday because I'm expecting a retracement. I missed all this. And if it just kept going, I would have missed it. But it retraced. Retraced where? This is your protraction model on the hourly time frame. It retraced into the fair value gap. I'm now, any inversion fair value gap for me is valid. I entered the trade like this. This is what I saw at the time. Obviously, I just market sold. I wasn't sitting here waiting when I realized it was going. It's a swing trade, so I don't need to be that precise with my entry. This was the trade. What was I targeting? Well, I'm entering off the daily, so I targeted these lows. And realistically, this would have been like a final objective. I didn't feel like holding it. It's also just a phase 2 account. So if it was a live account, maybe I would have held it. But this is a trade I took. So about 4R, probably a little bit less. Realistically, my stop was probably higher. My fill might have been a little bit lower. But that was the trade idea. So that one hit TP, 3 days. Actually, we entered on Tuesday. So Wednesday. Oh, it only took 2 days. I guess Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I don't know, whatever. It took some time, but we hit TP. So on to the next one. When will Solana go up again? Probably soon. How can I identify how we're trading? I mean, most of the time the market solid remains stuck in a range. Economic calendar and time. When do you do when daily is stuck between 2 periods like a BISI or SIPI? How do you decide bias in this case? Well, first things first. If there's nothing clear besides the BISI or SIPI, like if I go to the daily chart, the simple answer is if you go to the daily chart and you're like, oh shit, I don't know, then don't rely on daily bias. And if you can't trade without a daily bias, then don't trade that day. Okay? I don't have a daily bias every day. Okay? I don't have sometimes you just know, for example, For example, you know what? Let me just pick something here. Just be like, you know what? I know that we're gonna take out this high. All right. Do I need daily bias? Do I care about the daily BTC? Nah, I don't. I think we can take out this high. So I'm gonna look for a setup towards this high. What do I expect tomorrow? Honestly, I have no idea. I'll have to see London. I'll have to see London. I wouldn't even try to predict NFP. I always wait for after NFP. What do I expect? Well, it could genuinely move 1,000 points up. I wouldn't be surprised. It could move 1,000 points down. I wouldn't be surprised. Yesterday's trade recap. The odd cat trade. If I can only team one direction. If I can only frame the trade in one direction, I know it's hard to find. Exactly, bro. That comes from experience. Majority of people want to know where price goes without working for it. What part of Canada? GTA. Is having one setup model bad? Do you need more? One model is fine, bro. I started with one model. I would just trade 2022 reversal. Every time we entered discount, I would look for a reversal long. That's pretty much where I started. I feel like that's probably where a lot of people started. To me, I missed out on a lot of moves that I was calling out. I didn't like that model. I was like, bro, I'm missing so many moves. Like, there's no liquidity sweep, but I know it's going to go up. FTMO profit or another. I use funded by traders. How does TradeZella backtest compare to Forex replay? In terms of the backtest, I only like TradeZella more because you can connect it to your journal. So that's my opinion. It's also, I don't know, I just like the outline a little bit more. I like how you can place the orders a little bit quicker. The calendar actually updates properly. And like I said, you can journal every single time, session or trade. And then you can put those trades in your sections. So to me, I don't know, I just like it a little bit more, man. It's just a little bit quicker. The market's closed, Thor. How do I start ICT? I would start with the ICT 2022 mentorship on YouTube. Can't wait to be out of NFP on lead. Ready to get this year going? Yes. What about Notion? Yeah, Notion's what I used to use, but now that I can see the value, I mean, I can afford it and I see the value. Backtesting software and journaling software, 2-in-1, and it breaks down all your stuff and does it automatically for you. Like, I sound like a fucking sponsor, but like, bro, it's fucking sick. I ain't gonna lie. Whoever made this, it's that guy Umar, right, man? He did a good fucking job, bro. Like, genuinely, this is a good tool. And let me tell you something. When you pay for your journaling software, you know damn well you're gonna fucking use it. I'll tell you that much, bro. I am funded right now, yeah. Like, you know you're gonna use it, bro. Like, I paid for this shit. Trust me, I'm gonna fucking use it. I'm going to backtest. I ain't gonna just pay for it and not use it. I'm using TradeZella. Like, Notion, I'd always get lazy, bro. But I promise you, if I was paying monthly for Notion, I would be using that shit. I'd be their #1 supporter, bro. That was the main reason I bought it. Trust me, bro. Like, just hold yourself accountable. WhatsApp, the best ebook out there. All right, we're going to the next backtest day. I think that's enough questions. We're going to backtest next day. So far, we're 3-0. Let's see if we can keep it up, man. Let's see if we can keep it up. Okay, so next session. I just did. Wait, what did I click? I clicked the wrong one. All right, so backtesting, and you could have multiple accounts, which is so beneficial too, man. With Notion, like it's not as easy. Okay. You can more when you care more when you pay. Exactly, bro. It's true. I want GPUC buys left 15 minutes. We just took weekly liquidity. Who's your broker? I'm using prop firms trade of 8. I don't think I can handle this right now. Handle what, bro? All right, Tuesday, December 31st. Let's. Bro, what's going on here? Did I fucking? Oh, I did the wrong end date, so I'm just gonna edit that. See how simple this is, bro? I swear you can't even do this shit on. December 2024. No, wait, that's correct. Oh, did I accidentally fast forward the entire thing? Oh my. Oh my. Okay. Um, wait, we lost our trades. Let's go back and take those trades, bro. I want my P&L, bro. I want my P&L. On my P now. All right, no problem. We'll just take the exact same trade. I must have clicked something incorrectly. I'll just make this simple. I think I accidentally dragged this thing all the way to the end. Wait for the dump, inversion. Oops. Bye. And then we TP'd at the equal highs. Okay. Okay, we're back to where we were. Yeah, 960. Okay, next day. We're back to back testing. So like I said, the daily equal highs or 50% of previous day's range. A lot of bias is just knowing where the market's gonna go. Let me call it. Call what? Are you on YouTube? I am live on YouTube. Do you ever not trade? Day before NFP, I don't trade. FOMC morning, I don't trade. If Powell is speaking, I don't trade. But let's confused. I am live on YouTube. Let me call it the trade. Which trade? This trade? The next one? Previous day equilibrium or previous day high. That's what I'm aiming for as my daily chart potential objectives. It's not that clear to which one we're gonna go to. Yeah, and if you see it, call it, man. If someone sees something, feel free. I use all the prop firms. For Forex, I use Funded by Traders. For futures, I use Apex. Top Step's my favorite, and then My Funded Futures as well. But I think I'm gonna take a break from My Funded Futures and just go back to this is just a TradeZella. This is TradeZella. And I have a code if you're gonna get it, so save yourself the discount. I also get commission. That's up to you if you want to do that. Okay. A little bit not too clear right now. Is there an S&T at the highs? No S&T at the highs. They're just gonna have to wait this one out. We did touch the SIBI there. I mean, let's see. It's honestly the 50-minute chart's not that clear. I have no idea where this is going. I would have expected higher, but I guess what we can do is mark out this BISI and see if price respects it. I don't think it will, but if we get an order block or something. Yeah, okay. Looks like we're gonna come for that sell side maybe. Okay, we're still respecting the BISI actually. If we do get a CISD here, yeah, no CISD. In fact, that would have been a good short opportunity, but it looks like I missed it. It's just not too clear. It's 10 a.m. now. We'll just have to wait a bit. It looks like we're gonna go to previous day equilibrium. Yeah, honestly, I don't really have a clear bias. The red line is previous day equilibrium. We could look still for a we still could look for a short towards it. Okay, we were tracing to a 3-minute imbalance and a 3-minute order block. That would have been a good entry actually, but yeah, you had to take the order block there. You just kind of had to. The 3-minute fair value gap was pretty much the only way to get in. Wouldn't have found an entry model though. Peak those equal lows left, so they're gonna take those short out. I went way too fast. All the equal lows there. Yeah, those were pretty clean. Those are pretty clean. But previous day equilibrium. Do you only trade Nasdaq? Sometimes yes. Why aren't you watching the market? Market's closed. Can you explain the S&T with the close of the candle? Yeah, exact same thing. So, for example, let's say this candle closed above this one. You can have S&T like this because the body here is higher than this one. But if on ES, the body here is higher, so in this case it's lower. So this is the body. It's like, okay, this is the body here. This is the highest body, right? In this case it's lower. But if ES closed above this line and even if it didn't take out the high, that's still SMT, if that makes sense. Yeah, we kind of missed this trade. In fact, I guess we could hypothetically go lower, but previous day equilibrium would have been my objective. I'll probably just skip this, save time. Yeah, we went lower. Anyways, we're gonna have to go to the next day. Draw liquidity was met and we missed the trade. Okay, now that we have already retraced on the daily, yeah, I'd probably be bullish to those equal highs that we talked about on the daily. In terms of looking for an entry model, okay, we do have a low of date. I'd have to look for a retracement and then a move higher. So if we get some sell side, okay, nice. The reason I say I'm just following my model criteria. So when I say I'd have to see retracement, I'm not saying I think it's going to retrace. I'm saying I have to. If it doesn't retrace, I'm not taking the trade. I'm not going to buy it if it just keeps going up. Okay. Obviously now I need to see a move higher and a significant one. A lot of wicks, not too clean. It's just going pretty low. And we put in the equal highs. I like price going higher, but it's not that clean. I see this discount SIBI. I see these equal lows. The sell side there was taken. And we could look for a long off of this sell side. Is it inside the macro right now? We are in the macro. Let's see if we can get the CISD. So large displacement up is what I need to see. Okay, we touched the 15-minute SIBI. This is pretty much my last chance. If we don't immediately go higher, and I think I was wrong about the draw in liquidity. Yeah, I was just wrong. This thing just dumped. This thing just dumped. I didn't even take out the buy side. I guess there could be an SMT there. Nope, doesn't look like there is. Oh, there is an SMT at the highs. Yeah, I should have looked at ES earlier. There's an SMT like this. This is your classic model. I could have shorted this, but anyways, would I look for a continuation? Looks like we might take out the full sell side. Check the chat quickly. I want to ask you a question. What's up, brother? Market is close today. Yes. Could you take out Monday lows? It could take Monday's lows, but we were so close to the daily equal highs that I would have expected there to go first. What's your question, Fido? What model are you backtesting? My model. GEMS. GEMS is my model. Hey, Gatie, I heard the trading preference fees benefit your back market condition. Learning to do not to trade. Those ones would probably be the big ones, brother. What's your win rate? Depends on the month. It's not that consistent, to be honest. Some months I can go up to like 80. Some months I go down to like 40. CISD means changing the state of delivery. From buy side to sell. You trade US 500? Sometimes. But not the US 500. I trade the S&P 500. What's your question, Fido? I'm waiting for you, brother. Are you sure honest? Yeah, I got nothing to lie about. Had you caught a trade today? Market's closed because of the funeral of... I'll swing trade gold, but not really hold. What's your prediction for the next few days? Higher time frame drawn liquidity? I wouldn't even try. I would just ask me after NFP candle. Ask me after NFP candle. I wouldn't bother trying to predict the NFP candle. I mean, on the grand scheme of things, I think these lows can get taken. For sure. I think those lows can get taken. I think they're just a little bit too clean. And we had the 4-hour CISD. So I think it's possible. Like, I wouldn't even be surprised if NFP did like boom. You know, the 4-hour CB there hasn't been balanced. So I think that's possible. NQ is closed. I'm backtesting. Can you tell us higher probability deal well in Nasdaq? Yeah, those equal lows. I think those damn near equal highs got swept the next day. Can you explain your model? Nice. Yeah, the 4-hour one's near the 4-hour. Nice. If NFP takes us higher than the lows. Yeah, possible. Stay away from Tyrone Foster. I don't know who that is, bro. If you didn't know the market was closed today, please quit trading. I'm backtesting. I'm surprised you're using TradeZella. I feel like most use Force Replay. Yeah, but then once I figured out the journaling thing here, then I realized, in my opinion, TradeZella is just so much better, bro. Can you explain your model? No, but my YouTube can. I have videos on my entire model. Daily FEG as well. Yeah, oh yeah, it will be daily FEG. Can you check Ethereum? No, but I'll be bullish from the monthly fair value gap. If you don't know what that is, then unfortunately, I can't help you anyways. Market closed due to the death of the 39th president of the U.S. Appreciate you, bro. Talk slowly. Okay, I can talk slower. I'm just trying to get through all the questions. If another, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, goddamn. Yeah, bro, I got it. Mainly because they actually have better things for options. Oh, true. I think, TradeZella? Yeah. I mean, yo, listen. I'm not here to promote anything, but if you're going to get TradeZella, I have a code, so we might as well mutually benefit. Or just use a code. I don't even know how much I get, to be honest. It might not be much. Brother has a rap panel. I'm confused. It can't be real, bro. You're the first guy to answer every question. I mean, I literally titled the live stream. Yeah, I'm self-taught. I mean, from YouTube. I literally titled the live stream backtesting and Q&A. So I mean, I'm here to answer you guys' questions. I prefer backtesting alone anyway. So I'm more here just to fucking chill out with all the boys, answer any questions, and backtest. But if I don't have any more questions, I don't see anyone typing. So not that I can see typing, but like no one's saying any questions. So you have another source of income. Gems is my model. I missed this move, but we can fast forward to see. Gems is my model. Do you have kids or wife? No. Reaper fair value gap? Honestly, I don't know what the Reaper is. I'm pretty sure it's a breaker with an inversion. Alright, next step. I'm only here to see you miss a question, mate. It's impressive how you answer every one. That's what you're sitting here for? Appreciate you, bro. I don't know. Okay. Equal highs, again, still my objective. That hasn't changed. I mean, man, looks like we're going to go straight there with no entry possible. The only way I could enter this is if we go down. Do you know about quarterly theory? I have backtested quarterly theory, and I did not find consistency in it. And I mean, looking back now, the only time quarterly theory really worked out was when it aligns with power of 3. Outlook for tomorrow. Wait for NFP candle, bro, and then decide. Man, we just keep sweeping up buy side. I don't want to see those daily equal highs. You didn't add the sequence SMTs. Yeah, I'm good with that. I'm all good with that. I mean, maybe, but listen, the person I learned everything from is ICT. ICT does not teach sequential SMTs. He's called quarterly theory bullshit. In my opinion, it's bullshit. If it works, in my personal opinion, it works for the wrong reasons. But that being said, I mean, if it works for you, then hey, it works for you. 30 minutes a lot cleaner there. Gonna boost your model. I'm very, very happy with my model's results, brother. How do you backtest? I'm gonna show you right now. MNQ, what do you think? I like those daily equal lows. Prop account closed today. It's not prop accounts, brother. It's the market that's closed. 4 hour? The 4 hour is not, yeah, nothing there. It hasn't formed. What do you do for taxes on payouts? I pay them, bro. I avoid them, bro. I don't report it. I evade. Nah, bro, you pay them. Fuck. Those highs are getting swept for real. Yeah, I really like those equal highs, man. Okay, I mean that's a breaker. Not the cleanest breaker, I'll admit. Not the cleanest breaker. Man. Shit's going. It's probably gonna go. Okay. Hold up. Potential. If we can get an inversion now. Okay. This is getting me confused. Not that clear. We took sell side. Coming up. Engineered the buy side. I kind of like this for value gap, if I'm being honest. We have an inversion here. Set the sell side. 950 macro. 10 a.m. come down, move up. 15 minute, 30 minute is bullish. Holding very nicely. We have the engineered buy side. And then we have those daily equal highs. There's all-time highs. Obviously, if we're wrong about this trade, we're going to get stopped out so fast. But you know what? Let's take it. We took out the sell side. We're respecting the 30 minute. We're inside the macro. 930 PO3 reversal model. Let's take it. Every single trade is going to be one. Giving a little on the stop loss, but keep the same risk. I don't even calculate risk in backtest. Good morning. I bought a car yesterday. My birthday's tomorrow. Oh shit! What car did you buy? My birthday's today. Oh shit! Oh shit! Shit! Yo, Nissan Maxima? People not know what backtesting is? Why is NASCAR don't run? The market's closed, man. The market's closed. 2 minute time frame. That's your 2 minute. I mean, I'm gonna take this trade. I'm just letting everyone know it's gonna be 1 micro every single time. It's gonna be 1 micro. It's gonna be 1 micro every single time. I'm not here to figure out how much money I can make. I'm just here to backtest the model. So just 1 micro every time. Oh yeah, we're getting destroyed. Oh shoot, I didn't put a stop loss. Let's put it right there because that would have been. Okay, let's look for another one before we journal this. Oh, one of those, huh? Ah, I see, I see. Okay, well, we can journal that too. We can journal that as well. That's funny. Okay, let's journal this. Let's fast forward a bit and then we'll journal. Oh, yeah. All the way. Okay. That's cringe. Let me not say weird shit. Okay. That's okay. So there's the inversion. And let's mark out the 30-minute fair value gap. If that happens, I mean, realistically, I could have just looked for a re-entry. This candle was a little bit too explosive. In hindsight, I mean, the stop was good, man. I wouldn't change the stop, to be honest. I guess, nah, man, I really wouldn't change the stop. I guess technically, you can put it at the first candle that's gonna, like, once this candle inverses, that'll be your true stop loss for the position. So I guess, I wonder if the fact that there's double stacked fair value gaps, that this would make the rejection block a better stop loss. I mean, it is what it is, It is what it is. I had the right idea. Had the right idea. To the journal. To the journal we go. Nissan Maximum. You know what? I'm curious what it should look. What does it look like? I'm curious. Hold on. Which color do I like? Yo, what the fuck? Pretty much a DTR. Do you ever take trades before 10 a.m.? Sure. Bro, using Yahoo? Bro, I don't use Yahoo. I swear to God, I don't use Yahoo, bro. How much for that node in TradeZella? How much for the node? What node? What's a node? You should wait for the CID. I don't wait for CID in this model. Or inducements of these lows. A GTR? Bro, I would love a GTR, bro. Oh, you got a virus on G. Using Yahoo? Bro, it's just, like, bro, it's literally just stuck. Nah, bro, I swear to God, it's just stuck as it's just stuck as my default, bro. Alright, we journal the losses as well, of course, so. I guess in hindsight. Bad stop loss, but I didn't break any rules. This is February 7th. Whoa, how did we get to February 7th? That was fast. SL hit, P3 model, wait. London low day, right? Yeah. Rules broken, none, notes. You wouldn't want to see price for trace to a BPR. You wouldn't want to see that. You would not want to trade at 6. That's when New York is now. I mean, you know what? You can tell that first position from minute open is just something to look at. I would use it for London mostly, Adil. I would use it mostly for London. What is happening to NQ? It's closed. The market's closed. Bro, is everyone so in shock? What is the CISD? CISD is a change in the state of delivery. shifting from buy side to sell side delivery. Not quite the same thing as shifting structure, because structure refers to the swing highs and lows. CISD refers to the delivery of the candles, the buy side delivery, the sell side delivery, from open to high, from open to low and open to high. BRB. I still don't get how we can see that particular macro deliver good. You always expect the macro to deliver good, assuming the narrative is correct. Stuff like that. Or just aging depressive buy and sell by a bunch of gamblers. For real, bro. Like, damn, bro, the market's closed, bro. You should be happy, bro. Day off. You got day off work. You know? Yep, I'll use CISD. I use it in one of my models, so. Where are we at? Okay, 9:30, next day, daily chart. All-time highs, love it. Somehow, even in backtest, we're at all-time highs. Okay. I'd probably just aim for another all-time highs. But I don't see how I can do much more. Or just aim for intraday scalps. 15-minute chart. Yeah, it's clean. We took out sell side, 4-hour imbalance, I'm guessing. Yep, we have a 4-hour imbalance. Let's just mark it out like that. Oh, that's still ugly. I just can't mark that out. 4-hour, 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, we swept sell side. We have relative equal lows. I'd probably expect higher, but let's see. It's all-time highs. In terms of going long, yeah, we'll just have to see a 9:30 reversal. So if we can take out sell side and reverse, that's ugly, man. Ugly candlesticks right now. Okay, there's sell side. Small 15-minute fair value gap as well. If this just wicks aggressively right now, that'd be really beautiful. Do I think it's going to? Probably not. I don't trade the inversion here. I need a CISD or a breaker. Oh, that's the worst delivery I have probably ever seen. Anyways, we did get the breaker. No, we did not get the breaker. I mean, bro, this is freaking awful, man. I don't know what to say. This is awful price delivery. Like, I'm bullish, but okay, 10:30 maybe. We can look for a protraction. There's sell side. If we expand higher right now, oh yeah, pretty much the same entry as last time. I'm a little bit more iffy about this one, but I mean, it's valid protraction model. Yeah, I'm gonna hesitate. Let's just click buy. Let's sell out the rejection block. TP. You know, I'm just gonna TP at 2R, but just know the higher time frame objective is there. I'll break even this because of the structure here. So I'll break even. And we hit 2R and the objective. So a nice protraction model there. Good patience. Pretty good backtest so far, man. Pretty good backtest so far. Let's fast forward 15 minutes. Yep, looks like it was a good TP. So always got to fast forward after your trade and see what happened. So New York opens right there. Look at that price touching New York open. That's beautiful, man. Okay, so same thing. Screenshot all this. Label this. I don't know. This is Thursday, February 8th. Entry 17. This one's 16, 17. So date is February 8th. (2024). Result TP hit, PO3 model. This was 9:30 PO3 reversal. And I believe it was also I wouldn't call this a retracement model, but I mean, technically it is daily protraction. Yeah, it's daily protraction. Daily protraction or 930 protraction. It's really all of them, to be honest. But they all the criteria was met for all of them. Anyways, let's put this in the journal. Yeah, it's a protraction. It's a daily protraction model. You just have to wait for 1030 PO3 to enter. Strong deal, well. What's PO3 my model? Why not screenshot it? Because sometimes I don't want the whole picture, bro. Um, Also, I want to when I screenshot it, it'll save into that folder that automatically opens, so it's just a little bit quicker for me. Yeah, that happens, bro. I mean, that's why you gotta have a model. And so let's look back at the 950 macro here. 950 macro was right here. I mean, we definitely spooled to this liquidity, and then we just after the macro, like after we take out the liquidity, that narrative is done. The way I like to think about it is that code is like done. Then we go into time distortion. What are we waiting for? In my opinion, the next candle open or the next macro. So I'm waiting 1030. What does 1030 do? Well, we're still inside that 30-minute BISI. Where is 30-minute BISI? Oh, was not a 30-minute BISI? Oh, the 4-hour bullish fair value gap, right? So we're still inside the 4-hour bullish fair value gap. I'll mark that out with this dotted black line. So what happens? We touch the high of it. It's not invalid. I think that's something a lot of people don't realize. Like the 4-hour is in play. It's all about the time that it's gonna be activated. It's not about, oh, we touched it here, it didn't go higher. So it's like, no, bro. Like it's about the time. Okay, 1030 power of 3. Candle opens, comes down, immediate inversion. Knowing that we're already playing off of the 930 power of 3, so you can almost trust this. And then 1050 macro comes. In this case, macro is ass. So the macros did not deliver today, but the candle opens do. What strategy do you trade? Gems, my own strategy. What's power of 3? Power of 3 is how the candle forms. It's my entire strategy. It's what I'm backtesting. And it's on my YouTube if you want to know. It's up to you. I don't really care. Even with right narrative, yeah, it happens. So far, what are we in the live stream? We've lost one, and even the one we lost, it hit TP after. We're 4-1, but I guess a bad stop loss placement. It is what it is. Okay. This is where things get really difficult. We're in all-time highs on both assets. We're just gonna have to go off the 15-minute. It's Friday. I guess we could expect TGIF or extreme manipulation to the upside. Like, man, this is tough price action for sure. Let's wait out the first couple minutes, see if we can get something more clear. So notice how I didn't have that much clear. This is where I go to the 4-hour. 4-hour, 1 hour. I mean, that low looks pretty juicy because it's inside of a fair value gap. That candle's a flat body. Could potentially get there. See what happens here. I'm just going to have to fast forward for some clarity, and then worst case, we just don't take a trade. Okay, I mean, we took out the sell side. We're consolidating. We touched the 15-minute BISI and discounts. That's a CISD. Didn't I mark up? No. Oh, I mark this out every time, bro. I mean, this, yeah, CISD, right? We have the bullish fair value gap here. In terms of a drawn liquidity, though, man, I do not know. There's nothing really clear. These equal highs are nice, I guess. Let's see if we can find an entry. Maybe if we get an inversion here. Did we retrace into a... Okay, I like this. Yeah, I like this. See, the 4 minutes really clear. If we can go up, yeah, I'll take this order block. Oh, the risk reward is awful. The risk reward is awful. Maybe we get a fair value gap. We're also inside the macro. But that wick, I mean, Is that a volume imbalance? No, it's not. Entry would have to be there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait, man. There's no really clean. Looks like we're not gonna get a fill anyways. Yeah, it is what it is. You kind of just had to take the 4 minute. In which case, I actually could have because we had the CISD here, and then we tapped into the 4 minute. I could have taken this order block. Oh yeah, I really could have taken the order block, but the risk reward wasn't that good. Oh no, it would have been good. Yeah, I missed that trade. Could you explain quickly on the criteria for your protraction model? No, but my YouTube video has all the criteria there for you. How was TradeZella for backtesting? What do you think? You can see. I think it's pretty good. Yeah, we missed that. We missed that trade. PO3 reversal model. If we get a retracement, maybe into a 5 minute or something, we could look for another leg. But we kind of missed the move that I was interested in. I mean, I would never take this in a million years, but we can watch it just to see what happens. Yeah, it would have hit TP. I wouldn't take it because it's so deep in premium. And I just don't like that wick as a drawn liquidity, but I guess I would have taken two. So we missed out on 2 trades. And it's okay. Let's go to the next day. There's a back test. I'm not about to tilt in back test. I have to be bearish, man, but it's all-time highs. Market all-time highs. Market's closed today. Yo, bro, can you give me $30? No, I can't. Is it gonna take out news highs and push trust? Yes. Why is Nasdaq? The market's closed, guys. The market is closed today. All right, let's do one more back test, guys. What's a good and safe loss size? Whatever you're comfortable risking on the account. And you have to make sure you can cover enough losses on the account as well. How much have you made through trading? Including stocks or no? It was a funeral. Everyone knows why, bro. Just you, apparently. Okay. I'd have to be bearish. I have to look for. I would not want to long this market on a Monday. Yeah, we take sell side perfectly. Sell side, buy side, and then maybe sell side double purge. How high did we go here? At a 2 minute fair value gap? 3 minute? No. So no criteria for a trade. I'm waiting for a CISD or a breaker. Oh, waiting for a CISD or a breaker. Oh. Wow, this is awful. It's really not clean. Looking for the short, but I mean, you can argue this is a breaker, but that's so weak. It's so weak. High, low, higher, high, I mean, the full leg breaker. Okay. Can we go higher? That's just so weak. It's too weak. I wouldn't touch this. Maybe 1050 macro. We'd have to sweep buy side again. Okay. Okay, we swept buy side. There's still time to reverse. Even if it's a seek and destroy model. We'd have to get below that buy side. We're just going back. Okay, we're back at all-time highs. I'm just gonna skip this. Yeah, I have the essential, I think. I think this one finally gave up. How much have you made through day trading? Day trading on my prop firms. Like I've gotten 3,000 in payouts so far. Market not open only today. Yep, it'll be open tomorrow. The markets are closed today, guys. Bro, do you guys not have Google? Do you guys really come to my live stream to ask? They've been helping you a lot. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, I'm glad they help, man. If you have any questions, let me know. I always tell people who put in work way more than everyone else. Some people are just lazy. Damn, we got the move lower. CPI probably. Okay, we touch the 15-minute Sibi and we go short. Touch the 15-minute CB and go short. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait forever if I have to. Okay. Touch the 15-minute CB. At 20. Okay. Deep move. I wouldn't go long. But maybe data highs, I guess it's possible. Yeah, I mean, hold up. So it's really not that clean. CISD is right there on the 3 minutes. Oh, it's shortable, but I don't know if I would trust it. I'd have to align with some sort of opening price. 1050 macro, 3-minute CISD. If we get a leg up, 2-minute fair value gap. Do I just short it like that? Stop at the, yeah, that candle high looks good. 2R is pretty easy, I'd say. I wonder if we could hold this. Would I ever take this? It's a crazy trade. 3-minute CISD. It's a 5-minute looking like. I think we'll take it last trade. This is not the best trade, I'll be honest. Let's put this at 2R for now. Because we're about to form a 5-minute BISI. Oh yeah, straight to SL. Yeah, that's what I get. That's what you get for chasing it. I just wanted to see a reversal. What time is it? 11:10. Yeah, let's just journal this. We'll end it. We can't end it on a loss. It's backtest. It's backtest. Okay, hold up. I'm journaling, guys. If you're asking questions, just give me a sec. You were so gambling. You were so gambling. Just ignore that guy, bro. Like 1,000 of trades. Looks like you know too much. Of course, a model can stop working, but you need data. Can a model stop working? No, in my opinion, no. Not if you trade ICT. How do you tell a real strategy from a fake one? I always choose the wrong one. Take it now. You're drawing liquidity, brother. How long are you profitable and how long did it take you? I've only been trading for 1 year. I don't know. Last year was technically profitable, but I have I gotta do a lot of improvements still. So I don't know. We took a short like this. This was just a bad trade. This was obviously a forced. I shouldn't have taken this trade. But I guess I like those equal lows and not much to journal here. New York opening price. I mean, yeah, come on. What am I doing? This is not reversing. I should have known. Anyways, it's okay. Let's just journal it. We'll do one more day. One more day. I want to take a better trade. This is a rule break. No, 9:30. No, we didn't break any rules, but kind of just like obvious. February entry 18 result SL hit PO3 model. I was looking for 9:30 PO3 reversal. With software, I'm using TradeZella. TradeZella is my favorite. TradeZella is my favorite. All right, last day. Let's do one more day. One more day. One more day. We'll take it super serious. Okay, previous day low swept. Tuesday range is pretty large. Did we touch 50%? We did touch 50% previous days in range. We could look for a continuation, although we are all-time highs. Let me check the weekly. Okay, yeah, I mean, all-time highs is always all-time highs. Oh, that's ugly, man. Come on, bro. Yo, we ended up going lower after SL? That's crazy. Look. Oh, shoot. I mean, it took a while, but we went all the way down. Let me draw that. NASDAQ is closed, guys. The NASDAQ market is closed. Why is it so hard to believe? Everyone's like in shock. I'd probably look for a short. I would probably look for a short. Okay, let's see what happens here. So on a 15-minute chart. Okay. Okay. Wow. Immediately taking out the buy side. CISD potentially here. Okay. We did not get the CISD just quite. Wait, that's a CISD. We meets the criteria for the 930 PO3 reversal or classic. Do I want to take this? Yeah, probably would. It's pretty early. It's pretty. I'll wait. I'm gonna wait. Oh yeah, go without me. Oh yeah. Okay, it's fine. We look for a protraction here. First presentation. If we get an inversion, that did not inverse. Bro, what is this delivery, man? Like, you know the ones where like it doesn't inverse by a couple ticks and you're like, oh, I'll wait. And then this happens the next candle. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. Really? Like I just got slipped for so much RR. Okay, I'll take this fair value gap though. I'd have to break even this trade pretty early. Um, so, limit. Oh shoot, let me put my SL. Sells out the breakaway gap. Yeah, we got stopped up. Let's just fast forward. Actually, let's go one by one. Maybe we can find a re-entry. So we might just have. Is there SMT there at the lows? There probably is. No, there isn't. We just put in equal lows. It's starting to look like a seek and destroy profile. So let me journal this. Let me journal this one. I guess I didn't really have a clear drawn liquidity either. I mean, I guess there's equal lows. Let me journal this one because it's a different model than the one I'm about to look for again right here. Actually, we'll just journal at the same time. Actually, no. Yeah, let me journal this one. Let me journal this one real quick. Let's label this B. So entry 19, February 14. Whole February 14. You have to go long February 14. That's the rule. That's the rule. 2024 SL hit PO3 model. I was looking for a 930 PO3 reversal. Sorry, protraction. Rules broken, none. Notes. This inversion model. That's just one of my entry models. Okay. So now that we have 10 a.m. open, and we get a breaker CISD lower, we can look for this short. Clear all this up. Or we just had the wrong drawn liquidity and we just go back to all-time highs. 1030, man, there's nothing here. Wait for the 1050 macro. Man, what is this, bro? Yeah, I'd be bearish, man, but because it's still technically 10 a.m. power of 3. Where's 10 a.m.? What would I need to see? I mean, the full leg breaker, high, low, higher, high, lower, low. It's there. This is your breaker off the 10 a.m. candle. Hypothetically, if we took this short, say stop loss at the breaker, aim for the equal lows, put the stop a little more precise. Yeah, I mean, for some reason, it just looks like you're gonna get stopped off, right? Hey, brother, currently I'm in Amazon push and holding for the 24th. What do you think? I think if you followed your model, bro, it's all good. Market's closed because there's a funeral of one of the old presidents. I'm enjoying the day off, bro. Yeah, I'm about to go make breakfast after this. How large are your stops usually and how many contracts you trade? Depends. I always risk 200 per trade. I think this is gonna reverse, man. I think this is gonna reverse higher. You got the breaker though. Let's just follow the model rules and see what happens. Don't need to overthink it. No need to overthink it. I just feel like it's gonna go. Phew. Oh shit. Oh my god. See what happens when you follow the rules? Fucking lit. Alright. Nice. Cool. Entry 20. 14. Like sometimes, bro, you just gotta not even think about it. Like just follow the rules and whatever fucking happens, happens. You know? At the end of the day, that's all you can really control. Seek and destroy model. None. Let's mark this on the 3-minute. It'll be the cleanest. And we went a lot lower, man. How low is this gonna go? Probably. Yeah, I mean, classic seek and destroy stuff. Okay, so this is the last one, guys. We ended off on a nice win. Let's see. So upload this. See 10 a.m. breaker seek and destroy model. Okay, so far this back test, we are. Don't look at the P&L because I'm not calculating risk, right? I'm not calculating risk. I'm just doing one micro every time. So just look at the win rate is what's formed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. Okay. This one was a really bad trade. Definitely could have been avoided. This one wasn't as bad of a trade, right? So this one, for example, just studying the losses, this one could have been avoided. I literally shorted the most bullish order flow whatsoever. I should not have expected a 200-point reversal. We had bullish fair value gaps there. That was a very risky trade. This one, we just had bad SL placement. We literally just got wicked. So bad SL placement on this one. This one as well was bad stop loss placement. So 2 losses were just stop loss placement, and then this one, I had the wrong bias. That's okay. That'll happen. I went short expecting that. We were completely wrong and incorrect with that idea. So that one was a loss too. But you can see how a lot of the losses can be avoided. And most important, we're not breaking any rules. Yeah, this back test we cooked. Yeah, 3, 4, 5. 3 SLs, 5 TP. Is this SL? Yeah, I mean, we cooked, I guess. Like we cooked. What's the software used for that template? Do you have a link for that template? I do have a link. So like I said, don't look. Oh wait, wrong account. So far, we're at 74%, 6.5 profit factor, 80% daily win rate. We're averaging 2.3 R. But again, don't look at these numbers because, like for example, that last trade we took was like good trade, but that's the thing though. Don't look at the risk reward because I'm not calculating risk. So don't look at the numbers. Just look at win percentage and daily win percentage. That's it. Because I'm not calculating risk. No, I don't pray, bro. I really should. What's the software? I use Notion. If I risked 100 every single trade, I don't know, it would be different. So I'm not really here. I'm not gonna calculate the risk to reward every. My money I'm not here to backtest my money management. You know, I have that plan. Check. I've already backtested that. I don't need to backtest that right now. So don't look at the average win or loss, because we're just, every single trade is one micro Nasdaq. Okay, and it's not like a fixed stop loss. So see, like for example, this, we took 2 trades, one micro, but $300. But this one, we lost like 50. Like you can't compare those. How do you implement the new IC 12 a.m. opening thing? I don't. I have my model. Also, I don't really trade London. What's the template for Notion? Listen, this Notion template, guys, I mean, I can send it to you, but it's not really gonna help you because it's for my model. It doesn't make sense. Like, you know what? I just realized I don't have the entry model in here. Oh shit, man. I'll have to go back. I'll have to go back and I usually backtest both. I journal both, but like this isn't gonna help you. How do you get that? And also, most of my journals are really here, so realistically, I should be going back in this backtest. So now what I can do is, if I'm not mistaken, is so one moment. So the last trade we took, February 14th. So if I click this, hold on. Playbook. Wait, add trade. No, not add trade. I gotta learn how to use this. Trades. TradeZella. I think it's 50 with my code. 50 a month per my code. You trade on TradingView. How do you get the analysis on your data? Well, like what app or site? This is TradeZella, guys. This is TradeZella. I use TradeZella to journal and backtest. 930 P03 is your favorite, most profitable. I only trade the 930 P03. My models are different ways the 930 P03 can form. What app or site? This is TradeZella. I use TradeZella. I think with my code it's like $50 a month. If you get the yearly plan, I think someone got it and they tell me they saved $80, but that's the yearly plan, so you really have to fucking lock in if you're gonna get that shit. Trying to see. There's a way. I'm still kind of new to it. You can link your broker. Yeah, that's what I love about it too. It will automatically journal your trades if you link your broker to it. To me, that's freaking amazing, bro. Like, for my Apex account, which I don't trade that much, like, this is all automatically like imported. Like, that's sick. Come on, bro. That's sick, bro. Like, is that's gotta be like a rare thing, right? I can see each model. You can even journal on here. So Monday, December thing. You can see all the journals here. If I open up the day, 10, this trade we won. You can see. And if I open this, expand it, I can see the reverse. I can put the see the reversal model. Like, I can see which model I traded. It's actually tough, bro. But that's what I'm saying. Bro, this thing is so tough, bro. It is kind of expensive, but I mean, I guess the discount code helps a little bit. How much is TradeZella for backtest? I think it's $50 with my code. But don't quote me on that. But I think it's $50 on my code. Where's your code? Here, I'll type it in chat for you. It's for the monthly, it's Gatie10. For the monthly, it's Gatie10. For the yearly, it's Gatie20. It's not bad. Yeah, I mean, realistically, for a trader, it's not bad, bro. If you're trading and you're getting profit from accounts, you might as well just get this, in my opinion. I swear it's gonna help. And I swear, like, another thing is, bro, I wouldn't pay, like, when you pay for it, it's not as good. Give us your template for Notion. I can give you my template. Which one? I have many templates. I don't think the backtest one is gonna help you guys that much. I have this template where you can, this is for like any regular ICT trader. What's up, Koala? I have this template. This is for my private group where we journal every day. I have my personal trading model template. This is my model. But like I said, I backtest. I just journal on TradeZella. Like it's a lot better. It's a lot cleaner. Can I backtest for free? You can, not with this software though. Not with this software. What meme coins? Rismus? No meme coins. No meme coins. Um, I guess this one would make the most sense. This one is this is my personal one. This is my personal one. So yeah, you can use this. Here, it's already up. Like you can already take it. I'll post the link. Here, I'll post the link in the Discord. I don't know if you can copy paste that. I mean, I copied it in the TikTok chat. But I think that's it for me, boys. That was a pretty good backtest session. Hop on Rocket. I gotta go make breakfast, bro. Can you see what I sent you on Discord? Yeah, I haven't even opened up Discord today. That was a pretty W session, I think. For those of you who stayed the whole time, damn, you're really a real one, aren't you? You were locked in. You were pretty locked in there. I appreciate everyone coming through. Yeah, locked in, man. Days off, huh? But realistically, we should probably all enjoy the rest of our day. Um, I don't want the CRT one, bro. See you tomorrow, Chooch. See you, Sarvan. Oh, you sent it to him? Oh, I appreciate you. Appreciate you, Emerald. Appreciate you, bro. Does anyone have any questions before I go make breakfast and cool wallpaper? Yeah, I really like this wallpaper. I really do like this wallpaper. Thanks for the stream. Appreciate you coming through, bro. I'll be live tomorrow, live trading, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. CRT good? In my opinion, no. I copied you on London. Peace out, bro. Take care. I will get my Top Step accounts. Listen, December and the beginning of January, our purpose was to build confidence and discipline and some sort of consistency. Despite everything, I would really say, like, given everything, like, taking everything, I think we did pretty good with that, right? This is what's your real TikTok account, bro? Obviously this one. I'm live. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Obviously it's this one, bro. I think we managed to accomplish that. The discipline, the consistency, the following the rules. Overall, the last month has been good. I think we go back to Top Step on the 13th, and we're gonna have one goal. It usually takes about 3 weeks, Wilbert, as long as I don't full port. We're gonna have we're gonna have one goal. Man, can anyone here tell me what the goal is for the accounts I'm gonna get on Monday? January 13th. One goal. I'm gonna get 2 Top Step accounts. No, I'm gonna get 250Ks. Crash it. Just to follow the rules, guys. That's all I wanna do. That's literally all I wanna freaking do. Is follow the rules consistently. Yep, evals. 250K evals. I'm trying to get 2. If I get payouts on those, I'll get 3 more. The 950 model portfolio is probably the most important one to learn. Yeah, assuming you know everything else. If you can determine drawn liquidity, buys, evals. Yep, evals. That's it, guys. So Monday, we're starting from scratch, fresh, brand new slate. We're still gonna have the other funded, but I don't really, honestly, bro. Fuck, I really don't really care too much about the Apex one. You can Emerald, but you need to get them all from TradeZella. They need to be all TradeZella accounts. I really want to lock in too. Yeah, man. I'm gonna lock in too, man. Any difference between from Apex and Top Step? The rules are different for payout, and the rules are different for consistency and stuff like that. We're locked in, guys. Literally, all I want to do is follow the rules. That's it. That's it, man. That's all I want to do. 9:30. Nice wallpaper, bro. Appreciate you, Guru. Anyways, I'm gonna head out, boys. What playlist do you recommend for ICF for me? I've seen them all. My favorites would probably be 2022, then 2024, and then after that, you can go back test, start demo trading, and when you're ready, go live, or like eval or whatever. All right. Appreciate you, boys. Yeah, I'll recommend Top Step personally, but Apex is my number 3. I do use them as well. All right, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go make breakfast. I appreciate everyone coming through. I'm glad everyone's locked in. That was a pretty good backtest session. We won most of our trades. Even we were wrong, hit TP. Have a great day, everybody. I'll see you guys live tomorrow. I'll be trading my funded tomorrow. We'll be trading the Apex funded. And then Monday we'll get the Top Step accounts. Top Step's like my real deal, so we'll make sure we super duper quadruple fucking lock in on the Top Step accounts. All right, peace out, brothers.